When exporting a PDF, you may find that you need a little bit more control over how that PDF appears than you would a standard final draft or fountain export. For this reason, we've added some additional PDF export options kept in a separate menu. So to export a PDF with a little bit more control, you can go to File, which is accessed through the 3-line menu icon on the left-hand side. And once we're in File, go down to Export PDF, right underneath the regular export. Using Export PDF, you have a few options available to you that are not available for other file types. Exporting default visible will just export a copy of your script as you see it. So if you have anything filtered out, such as images, they would not be included in the visible export. Current selection will export anything that is highlighted in the draft. Specific pages or scenes allows you to designate which pages or which scenes you would like to export. Include notes will include any note lines that you have on the script, which do not normally export by default. And revised pages will export a PDF that only shows any pages that have revisions on them. You can also access all of these options through the same exact export window. So if you go back to the File menu and click Export, if we change our file type to PDF, we'll see that those same PDF options are right here. Default, including notes, revised pages only, and specific pages or specific scenes. The selected lines option is kept in content, and you can rearrange your docs accordingly. So if you'd like to add a character sheet, you can do so by dragging it up into include. So once we hit export, actually let's do all lines, default, export. Depending on your browser's download settings, it may automatically open in a PDF reader, which is the case on my screen. So we can see that it automatically opened in Adobe as I have this as my set PDF reader. If it does not open by default, just check your browser's download settings to see where your downloaded files are directed to go, and you can find your PDF in that folder.